If you're really interested in building an online business and you're serious, stick around. I want to recommend something to you. This is the course that I actually first took that actually changed everything for me online. It took me from somebody who was buying lots and lots of different shiny objects, which is different products, and trying to figure out how to make money with them because they were promising me basically I could earn an absolute fortune with them, to somebody who's actually growing a real online business and is really serious about that business. And there's something called Taking Action Online. Now, this is a course that takes you from actually having no idea what you're going to do to basically having a website where you're driving traffic and in commissions every single day. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're doing online marketing, digital marketing, or affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter what form of marketing you're doing online. You need those fundamentals in place. You need to understand what area of the internet you're going to be marketing to, how to actually build those websites and those landing pages, and then how to drive traffic over to those websites and landing pages to actually make commissions and actually make money, right? So this is what this course actually teaches you. Now, before I even get into the course, I want to show you something because this is a ridiculous price. If I wanted to get started on this today, this is literally $1. And it's $1 one time. There's no other kind of hooks or anything here that actually keep you here. This is going to teach you how to build a business. Now, of course, there is other stuff you can buy later on if you want to, but you do not need that. I've got to stress that at the beginning of this video. You do not need anything else to get from a place where you actually have a running business. The rest of the stuff is more advanced things. It's actually one-to-ones with the guy that actually creates it. It's things that you do not actually need to get started. You need this $1 course to get started, and that's going to actually get you to actually earning some money online. So let's have a look what's inside, right? In the action plan, it's broken into a number of sections. Now, you're going to have a kind of a foundation section right at the beginning that teaches you what the course is all about. But when you actually jump into the action plan, which is the one that you get for $1, you're going to have various modules. There's 7 modules here, and each of the modules is kind of broken up into different videos. Now, those videos can be anything from, say, 5 to 15 minutes long, and they're very, very detailed. When you get into the actual building the website piece of this, it gets very detailed, click for click, how you actually build those websites. You can't literally miss anything. You can just go back and watch the video again and retrace your steps, and you'll know everything you need to know about building those websites. But it's more than that. A lot of the stuff you do at the beginning is more about your mindset and thinking about what it actually means to build a real business. So can you get over the fact you're going to have imposter syndrome? You're not going to really think you know enough to build a business. Can you get over the failures you're going to have? You're going to release a bit of content nobody watches. There's going to be some failure you have. Can you get over that? This is the type of thing that you talk about at the very beginning to get you in that right mindset, because again, this is for serious people. If you're somebody who wants to earn money today and is desperately looking for ways to earn money today, this isn't for you, because this is something that's going to take you 6 months to a year to get established. Now, you get established very quickly as far as the nuts and bolts of your business. That's very quick. But then in producing content on a regular basis, building up your audience, building up the foundations of your business, that all takes time, right? So this is what this initial module is all about. Now, we're just going to deep dive into a little bit more of this. If I click on any one of these now, it's going to take me into the actual video itself, and you're going to have the topic here. This one is 12 minutes long, and basically some key points here, and he's going to go through all of these key points. Now, I know I mentioned it, but this is actually by Philip Barrowman. Now, Philip Barrowman has been online for about 10 years, and he actually started with absolutely nothing, created Taking Action Online about 3 or 4 years ago, and has actually built that from then onwards. And this is one of the most comprehensive courses you're going to get. It's ridiculous he's giving it away for $1. I don't know why he's doing that, but he's giving it away for $1 at the moment, right? So basically, this is what you're going to get, and you're going to have all of these different types of videos. Now, if I just go back, each one of these is broken into different steps, as I said, and basically those 7 steps cover different aspects of growing a business. You're going to have your niche simplicity, which is all about what topic you're going to talk about online, what you're actually going to be building an audience around. What type of audience are they going to be? Can you segment that audience into a smaller audience so you can actually focus your content on those audiences? That's what niche simplicity is all about. Building a rock solid foundation is all about actually building a website. So how do you go about starting getting a domain name to building a website click for click? Choosing your path to success. And there's various ways you can get traffic online. You maybe want to do some writing so you can do blogging. You may want to do videos like this one so you can do YouTube. And he teaches you both ways of doing YouTube, faceless and non-faceless. There's different ways you can do it, but basically you can actually go through and do videos. You can do writing. And he teaches you various things. This is the stage where you decide which one you're going to focus on first. It's very important to focus on one of them first so that you can get real skill in that area. Then you have more about actually building the website, more things you can actually put into your website to help it convert, actually attaching it to Google, which is quite complex, but he teaches you click for click how to do that. It makes it a lot simpler. And then he talks to you about building an irresistible lead magnet. So especially when you do things like affiliate marketing, it's always great to build an audience and build an email list by creating something you can give away. And he actually teaches you a very, very easy method. He also gives you lots of examples here that you can use straight away to actually build an irresistible lead magnet. And this is a course I've actually gone back to because I'm building one myself. So whenever I need to do another lead magnet, I always come back and redo these modules so I can get to understand exactly what I'm doing here. Next one is all about email marketing. Incredibly fundamental still in this world. People mainly communicate via email online, so you go ahead and you email them, and basically they get the opportunity to buy things off you through your email. It's all about that. And then it's time to launch actually having a website, a traffic source, a email list that's created, a lead magnet that's created, and then you bring it all together and actually launch your business. And then from then on, how you actually build more and more content. The other cool thing is, if I just come back here, you're going to have a community feed that you can go into straight away and meet like-minded people. Now this again, this is $1. This is ridiculous. So basically you're going to come into the community feed and you're going to see all different types of posts on here that you can interact with, and you can get your own views. And as you go through the actual course itself, there is checkpoints in there that enable you to come in here and post things to say, hey, I'm doing this at the moment, can you take a look? Or I need some advice on this, and this is where you actually come and do it. So it's almost like having your own Facebook page, but it's within Taking Action Online itself. These are people that have actually paid to be on the course, and these are people that are like-minded like yourself. So this is a really, really cool community feed, and there's lots of interaction in here every single day. You see an hour ago, yesterday, a couple of interactions yesterday, lots of people actually answering these questions. So really, really worth your while. So guys, that is Taking Action Online. Now there is more things you can do. There's a marketing academy on here that at some point you can join when you actually get your business established. Do not worry about that at the beginning, because I want you to get your business established first before you decide to take it to the next level. But this is Taking Action Online. I will leave a link to this in the description below. Go and grab this now. This is literally $1. You can get started today. And honestly guys, this is the most honest and straightforward course you're ever going to see about building a business online. This is the way that I started, and this is the way that the actual resources that I refer to every single day. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Go and click that link in the description. I'll speak to you soon.